Okay, let's talk about something that might just change your life. What you're looking at right now is Automate Everyday Tasks with Python for Beginners by the incredible Sharnam and Vaishali Shah. And trust me, this is way more than just another book about coding. It's basically a manual for getting your time back.
I mean, think about it. Have you ever found yourself on a Friday night staring at a screen filled with a mountain of PDF invoices, just wishing you had a magic button to make it all go away? Yeah, we've all been there.
Or hey, maybe for you, it was the mind-numbing task of manually renaming 500 photos from a wedding or a vacation. Or what about copying and pasting endless rows in Excel until your brain just feels like mush? You know that feeling. That feeling? That's friction. That's digital drudgery. But what if you could actually build that magic button yourself? Seriously, and it's probably way easier than you think.
See, this is what makes this book so different. Forget the old way of learning to code, where you're just memorizing abstract syntax and writing little bits of toy code that don't do anything. No, this book's approach is all about building actual, functional tools from day one. You're not just memorizing commands, you're literally acquiring superpowers to engineer real solutions for your real problems.
And the authors say it best themselves. They have this philosophy: we don't just teach you syntax, we teach you superpowers. And that's exactly what it feels like. It's about completely changing the way you work and even how you think about problems. So, let's get one thing straight. This is not some boring textbook you'll read once and put on a shelf. No, this is a cookbook. Every single chapter is a recipe for you to create something useful, something powerful right now. And every recipe follows this incredible 5-step process. First, you get the concept. That's the why you're building this. Then, the recipe, the what you're going to make. After that, and this is key, you get the blueprint, a proper file structure. Then you get to the build, writing the code. And finally, the best part, execution. You run your bot and see the magic happen. It's a simplified version of a real-world engineering cycle.
And let's talk more about that blueprint part, because it's so important. Before you even type a single line of code, this book teaches you how to structure your project like a pro. This means you're learning good habits from the get-go, building things that are clean, organized, and can grow with you.
Okay, but this is where it gets seriously cool. The book actually integrates generative AI. You'll learn how to give your scripts a brain using Google Gemini. Imagine your little programs being able to reason, summarize long documents, or even help you fix your own code. This is a massive in-demand skill.
And you know what else is great? You get to choose how you use this book. If you're a beginner, you can follow the table of contents. It's a perfect zero-to-hero path. But if you have a specific problem you need to solve right now, just flip to the recipe index, find your solution, and build it. It's both a classroom and a toolbox.
Right, enough talk about the how. Let's get to the fun part. What can you actually build? Come on, let's meet a few members of the brand new digital workforce you're about to create.
You know that downloads folder that's a complete mess on everyone's computer? Well, you're going to build the digital janitor. It's a little bot that will watch that folder for you and automatically sort every single file into neat, perfect subfolders. Amazing, right?
Or what about this? You're drowning in a giant block of unformatted text, and you need to find all the contact info hidden inside. You'll unleash the interactive contact miner to instantly scan and pull out every single email and phone number.
Or maybe you want to keep an eye on stock prices, or the cost of a flight ticket, or some gadget that's always sold out. Well, you'll deploy the Portfolio Historian, which acts like your personal financial watchdog, scraping the web for you 24/7.
And now for my absolute favorite. What if you could build your very own personal, offline Alexa, a tool that listens for your voice commands and can launch any app or run any script on your computer? Yes, you heard that right. This book actually teaches you how to build that.
So how many of these incredible tools are we talking about? How big is your new arsenal going to be? 42. That's right, 42 complete production-ready recipes to build your own personal army of automation bots.
And look at the variety. You'll be building everything. System and file agents, data intelligence tools, web and research scouts, reporting engines, document controllers, communication subs, even sensory bots that can literally see what's on your screen and hear your voice.
The authors really hit the nail on the head when they said, you are not starting from scratch, you are taking a massive leap forward. This book gives you the tools, the templates, and the confidence to just jump in and start building amazing things.
So if you're tired of the boring, repetitive, manual work, if you're ready to take back control,
Your journey from digital drudgery to becoming an automation architect, it starts right here.
And honestly, getting started could not be easier. Just take out your phone right now, scan this QR code on the screen, and you can get your copy instantly. You could literally be building your very first bot tonight.
And if you want to check out more from these brilliant authors, you can find all of their books, including guides on even more advanced topics, over at www.sharanamshah.com.
I'll leave you with one final thought. The future of work is automated. There's no question about it. The only real question is, are you going to be the one building the automations, or will you be the one getting automated? The choice is yours.